Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can adjust your computer's screen color by setting it to black and white. This is so supportive to those who have sight issues, and the good thing about this is because not only this feature is useful but also has so many options to choose from. So to do that, simply start by opening Settings. Then after having it opened, simply go on Ease of Access. Then after having it opened you can see that from here you can customize your computer's colors and filters. So to customize your screen's computer color, simply go on Color Filters. And now as you can see your computer's color filters are turned off, so simply turn them on to customize them. And now as you can see they have been turned on. And now as you can see suddenly your computer has been set to black and white. Also there's some other features you can try out if you want. For example, let's try using inverted to reverse our colors. And now as you can see suddenly your computer went to a mixed and more light color. You can use this for fun because as you can see it doesn't look fine. And also you try this other feature called grayscale inverted, and now as you can it took another display different from inverted. Also if you want you can try out this others features beneath. For example here on red green, you will see that your computer suddenly grew red green in it. And you can also try using other features. All this helps in the best view of your computer, and it also can be used permanently for as long as your computer lives. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.